I washed them. I patted them dry. What I'm going to do here is cut this in half so it don't be so bulky. Okay. And all the loose ones I put to the side. So actually, right here, I'll work with those later. I have basically 3 parts of the chicken, quote unquote. I'm going to try to do this as vegan as possible because I'm not a vegan, not a vegetarian. I'm a pescatarian. I eat seafood, so, but I don't eat all the other meats. But I have almond milk because I don't drink cow's milk. I'm going to do about 3 cups because I want them to be submerged. It's supposed to be buttermilk, but I don't have any buttermilk. Like I said, I'm trying to make this as vegan as possible. And I have a little lemon juice here. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to let that sit because with not having buttermilk, lemon juice is supposed to give you that tang that buttermilk gives you. When you have real chicken, you soak it in buttermilk and it helps tenderizes your meat and it has that little tang to it. So I put the lemon juice in it so I can have that little tang. I'm going to go ahead and soak my mushrooms. And I'll let them soak for about a good 15 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'll go ahead and add some seasoning to my flour. I have all-purpose flour here. I have some complete seasoning. My family been using this since I was a child. Growing up in Miami. I have some onion powder. I don't measure anything. And, oh, these are new, so I need to open these. This is Mrs. Dash Original Blend. So it has different blends of seasoning in them. And it has no salt. Complete has a lot of salt. So I try not to use, too much of that. And this is Mrs. Dash Garlic and Herbs. So it has a blend of garlic and different herbs. And no matter what I'm cooking, I always add ginger. This is some ground ginger. Just a little of that. And turmeric. Always use turmeric. I love turmeric. I do turmeric and ginger tea. But it's a little bitter, so I'm not going to use much. And I'm going to use some paprika. Paprika. And then I'm just going to mix this up with my knife. So now you have some seasoned flour. So when you dredge, your mushrooms in here already have some seasoning on it. I'll be back when it's ready to take my mushrooms out of my quote-unquote buttermilk. Okay. They have been in the buttermilk solution for about 15 minutes. So now we're going to put it in the flour, the seasoned flour. Just getting them a little coated. Shake them a little. I'm going to put them back in the buttermilk. And put them back in the flour. So it can be, it's like being double battered. Shake that one off, sit it there. And do the next one. Put it back. Same thing. And bring it back. Take that one out. Picking it up so it can kind of go through to the middle. Put it back. And then bring it back to the flour. Just trying not to get all my hands all dirty. Okay, and we're gonna get ready to put these in the fryer. Okay, we're here at the air fryer. We're gonna use sunflower oil. So I'm just going to put a little down inside my air fryer. Shake off some of that flour, and I'm gonna put these inside the air fryer, and we're gonna cook them until they're nice and golden brown, like chicken would be. And I'm gonna drizzle just a little on top. We're gonna put these in the air fryer on 375. And I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. I'm gonna flip it and let it cook some more on the other side. Okay, I kind of over toasted my bread a little bit, but that's all right. This is what it looked like when it came out the air fryer. I put a little vegan cheese on it, and this is the vegan provolone cheese that I'm using. It is dairy free, vegan, lactose free, casein free, and soy free. And I picked these up from Publix. This is something new. I have never tried these before, but it's roasted red pepper egg-free mayo and lemon garlic egg-free mayo. I tasted them off camera, and since this is chicken, I'm gonna use the lemon garlic. You know, lemon pepper chicken, so it have that little flavor, lemon flavor. Not much mayo. I'm gonna do some honey Dijon mustard and some ketchup. Put my lettuce, some tomato, some onions. I'm an onion girl. I love me some onions. We're gonna put that aside to the side, move that over. I have some pickles here. Actually, I want 2 pickles because I love pickles too. And I'm gonna put this on my sandwich, and there you have it. This is my chicken sandwich. I'm gonna cut it in half. And show you what it looks like. Looks like a real chicken sandwich. Ooh, it's gonna be good. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching.